fucker, you fucking me up. Swear to God, dude. Like in my head, I'm counting 1, 2, 3. This guy's all like, yeah. I'm ignoring everyone. I'm like, clap, clap. I like you, buddy. I like you. Yes. Let's fucking high five. Let's do this. I wish I had so much money that when I high-fived, the front row fireworks went off behind me. That would be fan-freckle-tastic. Wouldn't that be amazing? You know what? Let's do it, dude. We're going to start with you. We'll go our way down, and we'll end with you. High-fiving. You guys imagine that there's fireworks. This is what it would be like. Imagination, concentration, relaxation. Y'all want to see some fireworks? Darren Carter, the party starter. Every group has a hater. Whoa. Every group has a hater. Tonight, there was a hater in our presence. We were having a fucking fireworks show. We went boom, 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 boom. We came to you, we went boom. And somebody among us was going, that's not the front row! Did you guys hear it? Make some noise. Who was it? I don't give a shit. It was funny. It was like, whoever it was, they were like, was it you? Your mohawk went sideways. I was like, lay down, bitch. Don't. He's my #1 fan. I fucking love this guy, man. He's so fucking, he has such a hard on for my comedy. His hair has an erection. I love this fucking